If Canva is showing a server error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is one of those issues that can happen for a few different reasons, like a temporary Canva outage, a slow internet connection, a browser cache problem, or even an extension blocking the page from loading properly. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any technical experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On Windows or Mac, you can press Ctrl and R or just use the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes the error is temporary and a simple reload is all Canva needs to reconnect properly. If the page loads after refreshing, you're good to go. If not, move on to the next step. Next, check your internet connection. Open a new tab and search for speed test, then run a quick internet speed test. You want to make sure your connection is stable and not dropping packets or running too slowly, because that can cause Canva to fail while loading designs or saving changes. If your internet is unstable, try switching networks, restarting your router, or reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Once you've confirmed your internet is working properly, go back to Canva and try again. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files, and sometimes those files become corrupted or outdated, which can interfere with Canva's loading process. To clear the cache, click the three-dot menu in your browser, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure you select Cached Images and Files. Then clear the data and reopen Canva. This step often fixes stubborn loading issues because it gives the website a fresh start. If that doesn't solve it, the next fix is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, can interfere with Canva and trigger server errors. Click the three-dot menu again, open extensions, then go to Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, reload Canva and see if the error is gone. If Canva starts working, you've found the cause. At that point, you can leave the extension off while using Canva or add Canva to the extensions allow list if that option is available. Now, if you've tried all of those steps and the error still appears, the issue may simply be temporary server overload on Canva's side. This happens sometimes when too many people are using the service at once. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a few minutes and try again later. You can also check Canva's status or try opening it in a different browser just to see whether the issue is limited to one browser only. So to quickly recap, first refresh the page, then check your internet speed, clear your browser cache, disable extensions like ad blockers, and finally try again after a short wait if the server is overloaded. These steps solve most Canva server error problems and can save you a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fix videos and easy software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.